Doc has made a point of checking on populations of birds during and after 1080 operations, and they've monitored just how successful they are with their nests, how many young birds they raise, and the evidence is overwhelming that these birds do so much better when they've got the stoats and the rats and the possums off their backs. And all of that stuff has been scientifically documented. Now, does 1080 kill native birds? Well, in May, they released a study which showed the results of searches for dead native birds after 15 aerial operations. And in the span of 11 years, those searchers found just 13 native birds, and only 2, both tomtits, were found to be dead from 1080. Now, meanwhile, every year, rats and stoats and possums are devouring the eggs and the chicks of some 25 million native birds. So yes, the forest is silent, but it's not because of 1080.